Okay. Tell me what you like best about car rental church.
There's not very many Democrats.
Okay. And then, how long have you been going to car rental church?
As a member?
Well, no, not necessarily a member. How long have you been going? Okay. And if there was an area in the church, you know, that you would like to help with, or something you'd like to assist with, what would that be?
Teaching.
Teaching. Okay. You got a particular age group you prefer, or?
Adult.
Adult teaching.
I don't want any little junior kids.
Okay.
Just because I can't really explain to them what I really like.
Okay.
I'm
All
not
right.
good with kid stories.
Okay. What about you, Miss Izzy? What about you? What do you like
Is
best
the
about the
survey
club?
over with?
Yep, it's
No
through.
donations?
There's
No.
third question.
Uh-huh.
It's the only one that actually teaches me how to go
So you feel love.
Yes, very much so.
And how long have you been going car rental? Okay. And is there an area that interests you that you might like to help out with? Would you like to teach, or assist teaching, or lead the music, or preach one day, or?
They sure won't be preaching, huh? That's that. What was that about music?
Help lead the music one day, or do you like to work with the kids, or work in the nursery, or
Water instructor.
water instructor?
I love that one.
Instructor. I look like I'd be a water instructor. Oh, gosh.
Water carrier,
We've got
maybe.
so many
Baptism.
choices.
Yeah.
Can't handle kids too much. My nerves are bad.